Welcome students. Today we will see the outline classification of amphibia. Okay. In the previous lecture we had studied the general characters of amphibia. Now in this outline classification the amphibia includes the living salamanders, toads, frogs. Also, it includes some limbless caecilians, and there are various fossil forms, and they are observed from Carboniferous to Permian time era. Okay. Now, there are about 2500 living species of amphibians are known to human beings, and these species are divided into four orders. Okay, which are these four orders? The major orders are: first, Urodela, these are also called as chordata animals. Second order is Anura, it is also called as Salentia. Third order, Mints, and fourth order is Apoda. We will see one by one how this classification is given. Here, order first is called as Urodela, it is also called as Chordata. It includes the scaleless amphibian animals. These are with well developed tail and which consist or assist in the progression of animals. Okay, the tail helps in the movement or progression of these amphibian animals. Their eyes are small, they are sometimes functionless without the eyelids. Here, except Salamandria, eyelids are absent. Okay. Then tympanic membrane and tympanic cavity, they are not well developed. Vertebral column is long and vertebrae are opisthocoelous type in these Urodela animals. And these are usually oviparous animals and they are mostly aquatic. Okay. It includes Proteida, the Urodela in which body is depressed and the tail provided with a fin. These constitute Proteida. The larval gills, they persist throughout life in the form of three plum-like appendages on either side. Here, eyelids are absent and lungs are present, and these members are permanently aquatic. Example is Necturus. Okay. Then second, Mutabilia. These are called as true salamanders. Their larval gills disappear in the adult. The lungs are present and the skull is with paired homers. There are several families of these like Amphiuma, Ambylostoma, Triston, Salamandra, etc. All these are the Urodela amphibians. They are included in order Urodela. Okay. Then second order is Anura. It is also called as Salentia. It includes the frogs and toads, and they form a natural group of amphibian characterized by short tail-less bodies and long legs. Okay, tail is absent, they are short, and their legs are long. It is the characteristics of order Anura. All these animals are scaleless with large depressed head and a wide mouth. The eyelids are well developed and nictitating membrane is present. Tympanic membrane is large and sometimes concealed beneath the skin. The vertebral column, it is remarkably short, and vertebral column is without ribs, and tail is also absent. Nasal openings are situated on extreme point of the snout. Then their hind limbs, they are large as compared to their forelimbs. The posterior part of tongue, it is completely free, and it can be protruded as a prehensile organ. The order is divided into 5 suborders, and it also included or divided into several subfamilies. Here examples are Buffo, Hyla, Rana pipiens, etc. These are the amphibians included in order Anura. Then third order is Mantis, the Urodela with slender elongate body, and these are without eyelids and without limbs. Here gill is persistent throughout the life. Their jaws are provided with horny coverings. Their fertilization takes place outside the body, and these are aquatic or strictly aquatic animals. They generally found in the southeast United States of America. And the fourth order included in amphibians is Apoda. Here these are vermiform amphibia without limbs and girdles. Here, as name indicates, Apoda means without legs. Legs are not present. Their tail is very small, and they are above with numerous small scales embedded in the skin, arranged in transverse rows. Eyes are small, functionless, and it is covered by skin. Tympanum and tympanic cavity is absent in these Apoda animals. Examples are Glutunosa, Ichthyophica, etc. And it is the general outline classification of amphibia. Okay, we'll stop here.